Today we have a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Police Confront Drunk Woman After She Returns to a Bar.
On August 2nd, 2025, officers responded to a bar after reports of an intoxicated woman causing a disturbance.
We dealt with you before, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the issue this time? I think they asked you not to come back here.
Why? They never gave me a reason.
We're gonna step aside this way, okay? I'm gonna have a conversation with you.
Okay.
I need your ID though.
I'll get it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Listen, she even told me that she was glad he came back. Literally, one day I told him off because he burped.
Okay, you look a little bit wobbly. You want to sit down?
No. I have high heels on. Like, listen.
Yeah, but you're leaning towards me now.
But I'm fine. Look,
okay.
Listen, I'll tell you this right now.
Okay, what happened?
One day, I was here.
Uh-huh.
And a guy burped out loud.
Okay, well, what happened today?
Nothing. No, absolutely nothing. They will not let me walk into the bar, and I said, why? I'm asking them why. Can I tell you something?
Just leave her alone, okay?
Okay, so.
Can I get an ID from you?
The guy burped, and I said, you need to apologize for burping like that. And he apologized, and that was it. And then the guy from Morgan's was at this bar, and he banned me from his bar. May, I wasn't even at any of the bars. And I came back in May because some guy said, hey, they're doing trivia at Morgan's. Like, okay. I walked in, he's like, you're not allowed. I'm like, why? And he like kicked me out, and I was like pissed off.
Okay.
And then
so
no.
Okay.
Then he found me. He's bullying me and ostracizing me.
Okay.
He's bullying me and ostracizing me, like, and telling everybody that I shouldn't be here, and I am like a professional.
Okay, I understand.
I am a professional.
Yeah.
Listen, I just moved here in January.
Oh, in January.
Going through a divorce.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
I know, and I was probably drunk off my in January.
Yeah.
But after that, I stayed gone for months. And I even asked him in February, I said, hey, can I come back? I like your bar. I want to have, like, I love your hamburgers and your pizza. Can I come back there?
Can I get your ID, please?
No, I don't have it.
You don't have an ID?
No. I'm going home.
Okay, no. You're not free to leave.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
So she has her ID, she just doesn't want to give it up. That's what's going on here, right? Going through a divorce and yada yada, you know, she out there at the bar trying to get her groove back, you know what I mean? And you can't control your alcohol, you can't control your liquor. Stumbling all over the place, just
They didn't do nothing wrong.
Sit for a second.
They didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, come here. You can't. You're not.
You're pissing me off right now.
Okay, just give me a second.
No.
Okay, can you tell me what happened then?
I'm telling you, he's bullying me.
Okay, tell me what happened in January. You said in January that
I was drinking and I told this guy off for burping.
Okay.
He burped out loud.
He burped out loud?
And I made a funny joke. I was like, excuse me. And he's like, oh. And then he didn't do nothing. And I was like, oh, what's your problem? Like, you have a problem with me? Like, literally, like, you're just going to ignore me? Like, you just burped out loud in this bar. And I was here, and I'm a confident woman that is outspoken. And I said to him, you need to apologize. And then he apologized.
All right, what's your last name?
I'm not going to say.
Where are you?
I knew that's what she was doing, because she don't care about what happened in January. She just wanted to keep her talking until backup arrived. They gonna get her together.
Go away. You can't. You are not free to leave.
I'm right across the street.
You are not. Okay, where do you live across the street?
In the apartment.
All right, she wants to trespass, but she's like trying to get away now. So.
Why? I didn't do nothing wrong.
I'm letting you know that you're not free to leave.
Why?
You're gonna make this situation a little bit worse.
Really?
Yes, you are.
Really?
Yes, really.
Oh my God.
Just sit down a minute. Just sit down.
Sit? You're making me sit?
Do you have your ID, ma'am?
No, I don't. I didn't bring it.
Okay.
I live right across the street, so
Okay.
I did not think to bring it.
All right.
And I'm going home. I'll talk to the owner.
Okay.
and we'll get this all straightened out. I never did nothing wrong at this bar ever. The one guy burped at me, and I said, "You need to apologize," and he apologized, and that was it. And ever since then, his bar wouldn't let me in there because it was his friend, and then when I stayed gone 2 months. This happened in February. When he burped at me, it happened in February.
Okay.
I came back. Listen.
Do you have
Are you listening?
First?
Are you listening? I came back in May.
Okay.
And when I came back in May, you know what they said to me? They said to me this. He was following me around. Like, I live here. I live right across the street. He saw me, and he went to the main social. He saw me there, and he talked to the guy after I left because it was closing.
Who's the guy inside?
No, listen. And then he went to this bar.
She's
Let me go
Listen,
talk to her.
listen.
Would you wait a second?
Listen, no, I want to tell you. He
Yeah,
bullied
but
me.
you gotta wait 1 second.
1 second.
Okay?
Let
No,
me tell you.
wait. I gotta do my job. Would you let me do my job, please?
But I wanted you to tell.
I know, but I can't. I need to do my job first.
He bullied me by saying
I will
to.
talk to this lady real quick.
Okay. She just wants her.
Just trespass.
Can I just
That's it.
tell you?
She said she's caused a disturbance before. We were
No,
here
can I
before
tell
with
you
her.
what he
Would you hold on a minute
didn't
for the
give us
love of
her-
God?
She didn't give us her name either. She just walked off. So I just need to get your. We need to get your information because
don't
you
have
can't
it.
give us false information.
Listen, I'm
You
not
understand?
giving you- Let me tell
do
you
me-
what he did to me.
I listen. I promise. I'll
He
sit here and
said
listen to you,
me,
but
no, but
you have to.
I know you're not listening
Why
to
are
me.
you screaming?
He told me that I told him. He told this bar when he came to the bar. He followed me when I was there. I was just going after an evening. I was going to the bar. He followed me, and then he told the bartender. And the bartender, he said, "I'm buying everyone at this round a drink except for her." That's bullying. And I said, "Fine, I don't care. I pay. I have my own money. I have to pay my own drinks." So the guy next to me said, "I'll buy you a drink." I was like, "Why?" He doesn't like me. It's okay. And he said, "No."
Good evening, officer.
And
I don't know.
Listen, and I said, "It's okay. He doesn't like me because I walked to this bar." He said, "I was walking in with a married man." I am not married. If the man was married, after the
Would
whole
you
time.
hold on a minute?
No.
let me go get
It
a
was like
Yeah.
this is
All
triple
right.
A.
What's your last name?
No. I'm
Yes,
not-
you have to give me your information.
No, listen to me.
If you don't listen, if you don't give us
then
your
what he
information,
said, then what he said.
all right,
No,
then
just
we
listen what he said.
we can't.
Listen what he said to me. Listen what he said to me.
No,
He said
because
to me,
you're not
he said
helping
to me-
us.
He said to me.
I'm not listening no more.
No, why don't you listen what he said to me?
Because you're not helping us out.
He
I
said
need.
to me that I was walking in with a married man. And I said, "No, I'm not. I am single. If he's married, why don't you kick him out?" He kicked me out.
What's your address?
I don't know. I'm leaving.
You are not leaving.
Yes, I am.
Stay seated.
I'm leaving.
And if you give me the wrong information, you know you could be arrested for that, right?
No.
Yes, you can.
What's the problem here?
The problem is you're causing a disturbance.
No,
at
I'm
this
not.
place.
I'm not in the bar, am I?
You're not.
I'm
You're banned
outside
from
of
the bar.
Well, then I'll go home.
These officers have a lot of patience, man, and I applaud them for it because I would have probably lost it already. I ain't gonna lie, because I don't care about the story. I don't care about you walking in with a married man. I could care less about what happened in January. It's August. Listen, they want you gone. That's it. That's it. It's the establishment don't gotta have a reason. None of trust, Pat. Let's get to that. I don't care what the story is. It doesn't matter. You're still being trespassed. So for these officers to still, entertain all the other BS and stuff, I mean, kudos to them. Bravo, man, because I couldn't do it.
What's your name, Bridget?
My name is Rhonda.
Rhonda. Now your name's Rhonda?
Yep, that's right. And let me go home. I can walk home, and there's no problem because I'm in the bar. They don't
Giving
want me
false
in the bar. I
information.
never went
You're
to the
done.
bar, so there's no problem here.
Listen, so the bartender wants you trespassed from here. All right. If you're not willing to give us your information, then we have to find another way to do that, and that means you have to come with us. Okay? So let's avoid that. Ma'am, we need your information because you have to be served with the trespass warning. They don't want... Hello? You gotta listen.
I won't go
there. They don't want you back in the bar.
I won't go there.
All right,
I won't go there. I won't go there.
I need your information.
I won't go there.
But if you lie to me, you're going to go back with me to the police station. Do you understand?
I won't go to this bar.
Do you understand?
Yes, but I'm not going to go to the bar.
So what's your name?
My name is...
Your real name, because last time you gave us the wrong
name. My name is Susie.
Oh, that's
I'm going home.
Okay.
My name is Susie.
You're not going home.
My name is Barbie. I'm going home. Yeah.
Not going home.
Because I walk across the street.
I just need your ID.
I'm not giving you
Okay, then you're not leaving anywhere. You're probably going to come with us.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you really are. You don't understand.
No.
Just need information for the love of God.
No. They already know me. My name is Bridget. Everybody in the whole
You gave me 9 names already.
No, Bridget is my name. Bridget
you said it was Susan.
Bridget
What's your last name, Bridget?
Bridget is my name. I'm not going to give you that because Bridget.
Stop already.
Everybody knows in this whole town I'm Bridget.
What's your
and
last
I'm
name?
not going to give you my.
Stop screaming at me. My wife's the only one that screams at me.
What's your last name? My last name is.
You're not my wife.
I'm going home.
You scream like my wife, but you're not.
Yeah, I'm going home. Listen, just let me go home.
All the ladies do, man. You know what I'm saying? He know how I go. He know how I go, man. You know, like. Oh man, you know, listen. I like this officer, man. A lot of patience, could crack jokes and stuff like that, man. But yeah, I would have done took her already. I'm not gonna keep giving her chances to give names and play games. I'm not here to play games. It is what it is, man.
I am.
Your last name.
I did not do anything wrong. I'm not doing that. I'm not
Stop screaming at me.
Do you know I'm paralegal?
Would you stop screaming at me? I don't care if you're Superman.
Okay, well.
Stop screaming at me.
Yeah.
Bridget, give me your last name.
No. My last name is Scooby-Doo.
What's your last name, Bridget?
I don't have it.
You understand you're obstructing right now, right? By not giving your whole name.
They said to leave and I left. I didn't break a law.
Bridget, what's your last name? It's as easy as that. You just give us your first, last name, and your date of birth, the correct one, so that you can be on your way to go.
I'm going home.
You can be on your way to go home.
I have no reason to say it.
Yes, you do.
I didn't break any laws.
Get up.
Now you're going to come with us.
I didn't break any laws. No, I'm not.
You're under
Whoa.
Come on.
Wait. Stop.
No, you won't give us your name.
No, my name is Bridget.
What's your last name, Bridget?
Marie.
It's not your last name.
Shut. I told you that last time. Shut. My name is doing this. I'm not doing it. Handcuffing.
Yes, you are. Stop moving.
Stop it. I didn't do nothing wrong. What are you doing?
Okay, stop moving.
Wait.
Stop moving.
No,
Stop moving.
I'll tell you my name. Let me sit down. Come on.
Bridget.
Sit up,
Stop
Bridget.
handcuffing me and I'll tell you my name. If you stop handcuffing me, I'll tell you my name. But that's
We have asked you several times.
I know, but I didn't understand why. Because I was just trying to... I left the bar and they said leave it and I did. So why is this a big deal?
Spread your legs.
Why? What do you think?
I'm searching you. Do you have anything sharp on you?
Like, yeah.
Yes, do you?
Oh, right. No, I'm a regular person. Oh my god. Okay, so you're not gonna see my real name. Oh, this is my mascara. What are we doing?
We're going to squad car.
Why?
Because you wouldn't give us your name.
My name? My name's Bridget. I told you that for the... Wait, no. That's not a crime.
Yes,
not
it is.
Giving your name is not a crime.
Yes, it is. When an officer asks you for your identifier, you're supposed to give it. Come on.
It's in my wallet. Did you see it?
Scoot back.
It's in my wallet. You saw
Scoot
it.
back.
You saw it in my wallet.
Scoot back.
You saw it in my wallet. Can I go home now?
Scoot back.
Hey!
Scoot back.
But because you have my wallet, can we just let me go home now?
You're under arrest. Get back. Get in the
No, I can't be under arrest. I have a job.
You are under arrest.
No. Please. No, please.
Bridget.
No,
sit down.
please. No, please. Please take my... Oh,
down.
ow! That hurts.
Sit down.
No, that hurts.
Okay.
Can you please let me go home without...
You're gonna go home
No. You can write down the name. You have my wallet, right? Can I have it back?
The woman was charged with criminal trespass, obstructing identification, and resisting arrest. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if
It's about time, man. It's about time. This video, I feel like they took so long to get to the point, man. I mean, like, let's go. I get it. They were trying to give her chances, but at some point, you got to stop giving chances, man. She already done lied to you multiple times. Are we still going to be talking to her about this? Listen, I give you 2 chances. If I got to tell you a 3rd time, it's over. It's over. I'll tell you twice. If I got to tell you a 3rd time, you're not going to like it. You know what I mean? What's your name? Bridget. What's your name? Susie. You got it. You win, I lose. You win, I lose. Put your hands behind your back. You know, that's simple. This is simple, man. I'm not gonna be sitting there all night, just sitting there bullshitting with you and just, nah, this ain't that, man. This ain't that. So I like the officers that they had some patience, but at some point it's getting drawn out too long, you know. No. Get her together. Throw her in the back of the car. Oh, I can't get arrested. I got a job. Well. Should have thought about that before you acting like an asshole. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.